As a child, my teeth started cracking. My father's teeth had the same problems. My son has it. And I'm also vitamin deficient, and they have just been cracking and falling out.
Wendy was referred here by her dad. We completed dental implant treatment on her dad about 4 years ago. When Wendy first came in, we saw her and she was very, very fearful of the dentist. She was very embarrassed about the condition of her teeth, and I felt like it had really affected her self-confidence. She had a lot of missing teeth. She had broken bridges in the front, and she had quite a few cavities. And because of all of her broken teeth, she really could not eat the healthier foods that she wanted to eat. And she was very, very embarrassed to smile.
I don't go to restaurants. I stay home. I don't smile. It has affected my life all around.
Because she knew about the transformation that we had done with her dad, she wanted to get the same sort of dental implant treatment done. We decided to do the teeth in a day All-On-4 procedure for her on the top and bottom to get her chewing back and get her smile back.
When I first came into the dental office, everyone was welcoming and non-judgmental. They made me feel relaxed. Dr. Doss was just welcoming and calming, and he calmed my fears. Seeing my dad after his procedure, I could see how life-changing it was, and I wanted the same